Yo, what up? It's Mar. We got Chick-fil-A. I got a Bev too. Sauce that thing. Trying this pretzel bun for the first time. Well. Oh my goodness. The pretzel bun is actually good. Wow.